Dear students, in this session we continue seeing some results and definitions and formulae. Sin 72 root of root of 10 plus 2 root 5 by 4 cos 72, that is root 5 minus 1 by 4 tan 72 root of 10 plus 2 root 15 by root 5 minus 1 cot 72, that is reciprocal of tan 72, that is root 5 minus 1 divided by root of 10 plus root 5 secant 72 4 by root 5 minus 1 cosecant 72 4 by root of 10 plus 2 root 5. If you know these three results, that can be obtained by simply reciprocating, taking reciprocal. So obviously sin and cos are complement. So sin 72 equal to cos 18, cos 72 equal to sin 18, tan 72 equal to cot 18, cot 72 equal to tan 18, secant 72 equal to cosecant 18, cosecant 72 equal to secant 18. Sin 36 root of 10 minus 2 root 5 by 4 cos 36 root 5 plus 1 by 4 tan 36 10 minus 2 root 5 by root 5 plus 1 from this obviously cot 36 root 5 plus 1 by root of 10 minus root 5 secant 36 4 by root 5 plus 1 cosecant 36 4 by root of 10 minus 2 root 5. Sin 54 root 5 plus 1 by 4. Tan 54 root 5 plus 1 by root of 10 minus 2 root 5. From this cosecant 54 4 by root 5 plus 1, secant 54 4 by root of 10 minus root 5, cot 54 root of 10 root 5 minus root 5 plus 1. So sin 54 degree equal to cos 36. Cos 54 equal to sin 36. Tan 54 equal to cot 36. Cot 54 equal to tan 36. Secant 54 equal to cosecant 36. Cosecant 54 equal to secant 36. They are complement to each other. So we have to remember this 15 degree equal to pi by 12 radian. 18 degree equal to pi by 10 radian. 22.5 degree equal to pi by 8. 36 degree equal to pi by 5. (72 degree equal to 2 pi by 5. 54 degree equal to 3 pi by 10. So you have to remember this degrees corresponding radian measure. Some examples: a plus b plus c equal to pi. If a plus b plus c equal to pi and sin 2a plus sin 2b plus sin 2c minus sin 2c equal to k into cos A, cos B, cos C. Then k equal to option A 2, option B minus 2, option C 4, option D minus 4. Sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c. Sin c plus sin d, 2 sin c plus d by 2, 2a plus 2b by 2 cos 2a minus 2b by 2, that is 2 sin c cos c. Sin 2a means 2 sin a cos a. Sin 2c means 2 sin c cos c. That is 2 sin a plus b cos a minus b minus 2 sin c cos c. A plus b plus c equal to pi. A plus b equal to so 2 sin pi minus c into cos a minus b minus cos c minus 2 sin c cos c. Sin 180 minus equal to sin c. So sin c cos a minus c minus 2 sin c cos c. Two sin c, take common, cos a minus c minus cos c. C equal to pi minus a plus b. Two sin c equal to cos a minus b minus cos pi minus a plus b. 2 sin c into cos a minus b plus cos a plus b. Cos 180 minus theta minus cos theta. So here minus cos a plus b, already we have minus plus. Two sin c into cos a minus c plus cos a plus b. 2 cos a cos b. So 4 cos a cos b sin c. So the given sum, that should be cos a cos b sin 2a plus sin 2b minus sin 2c equal to k cos a cos b sin c. That is given. Comparing these two, k equal to 4 So option C is correct. If x plus y plus z equal to x y z and x by 1 minus x square plus y by 1 minus y square plus z by 1 minus z squared equal to p by 1 minus x squared into 1 minus y squared into 1 minus z squared. Then p equal to option A xyz, option B 2xyz, option C 4xyz, option D x plus y plus z. Then x equal to tan A, y equal to tan B, z equal to tan C, which implies tan A. Therefore, substituting these values here, tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A, tan B, tan C. Tan A plus B equal to A plus B plus C equal to tan A plus tan B plus tan C tan A, tan B, tan C by 1 minus tan A, tan B minus tan B, tan C minus tan C, tan A. Applying this value here, in place of tan A plus tan B plus tan C, you apply tan A, tan B, tan C. So, tan A, tan B, tan C minus tan A, tan B, tan C equal to 0 using 1. So, tan A plus B plus C equal to 0. This means tan 0 equal to 0 or tan, which implies A plus B plus C equal to pi. Tan 180 equal to 0. 2a plus 2b plus 2c equal to 2 pi. So tan 2a plus 2b plus 2c equal to tan 2 pi equal to 0. So I given already tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal to if it is true, we can derive this as tan 2a, tan 2b, tan 2c equal to tan 2a, tan 2b, tan 2c. So we have result if a plus b plus equal to 180. So tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal to tan 2a tan b to tan 2c. I have given this result already. So from this tan 2a 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square a 2 tan b 1 minus tan square b 2 tan c by 1 minus tan square c. Two tan a by 1 minus tan square a 2 tan b by 1 minus tan square c tan square b 2 tan c by 1 minus tan square c. Which implies 2x by 1 minus x squared plus 2y by 1 minus y squared plus 2z by 1 minus z squared equal to 8 tan a tan b tan c, that is 8 xyz by 1 minus x squared 1 minus y squared 1 minus z squared. Dividing by 2 on both sides, which implies x by 1 minus x squared, y by 1 minus y squared plus z by 1 minus z squared equal to 4xyz divided by 1 minus x squared into 1 minus y squared minus 1 minus z squared. So x by 1 minus x squared, y by 1 minus y squared plus z by 1 minus z squared equal to p by 1 minus x squared into 1 minus y squared into 1 minus z squared. That is given statement. Comparing with 2, p equal to 4. P equal to 4xyz. So option C is correct. So we have applied the results, some conditional trigonometric identities we have applied here. Whenever a plus b plus c equal to pi, tan a plus tan b plus tan c equal to tan a tan b tan c, like that tan 2a plus tan 2b plus tan 2c equal to tan 2a tan 2b tan 2c. Expression of sin a by 2 cos a by 2 in terms of sin a. Sin a by 2 plus cos a by 2 the whole square equal to sin squared a by 2 plus cos squared a by 2 plus 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, that is 1 plus sin a. This sin a by 2 plus cos a by 2 equal to plus or minus 1 plus sin a. Similarly, sin a by 2 minus plus or minus 1 minus sin a. One plus 2 gives 2 sin a by 2 equal to plus or minus 1 plus root of sin a plus or minus 1 minus root sin a. 1 minus 2 gives 2 cos a by 2 plus or minus root of 1 plus sin a. If you subtract minus or plus 1 minus sin a. So we have sin a by 2 plus cos a by 2 equal to root 2 into 1 by root 2 root 2 into sin a by 2 cos by 4 plus cos a by 2 equal to root 2 into sin a by 2 plus pi by 4. Sin a by 2 positive if 0 less than equal to a by 2 pi by 4 less than equal to positive, so is not or simply or 2n pi less than a by 2 plus 5 by 4 less than 2n plus 1 into pi. That is 2n pi minus pi by 4 less than a by 2 less than 2n plus 1 pi minus pi by 4. 2n pi minus pi by 4 less than a by 2 less than 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4. So since sin a by 2 plus cos a by 2 equal to root 2 into sin a by 2 plus pi by 4. So sin a by 2 plus cos a by 2 is positive if a by 2 lies between 2n pi minus pi by 4 and 2n pi plus 3 pi by 4 and this negative otherwise. So similarly you can derive for sin a by 2 minus cos a by 2. Similarly sin a by 2 minus cos a by 2 is positive if a by 2 lies between two n pi plus pi by 4 and 2n pi plus 5 pi by 4. And otherwise negative. So you have to remember these results. Periodic form of a sin theta plus b cos theta and minimum and minimum and maximum values. Minus of root of a square plus b squared less than a sin theta plus b cos theta less than root of a square plus b squared. So maximum value of a sin theta plus b cos theta equal this value root of a square plus b squared. Minimum value of a sin theta plus b cos theta equal to minus of root of a square plus b squared. Modulus of a sin theta plus b cos theta less than or equal to root of a square plus b squared. This is also important results. Examples. the maximum and minimum values of six sin x cos x plus 4 cos 2x are option A 5 comma minus 5, option B 4 comma minus 4, option C root 7 comma minus root 7, option D 2 root 13 comma minus 2 root 13. Six into sin x cos x plus 4 cos 2x. 3 into 2 sin x cos x plus 4 cos 2x. That is 3 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x minus of root of a square plus b square less than equal to a sin theta plus b cos theta less than equal to root of a square plus b square, which implies root of 9 plus 16 less than equal to 3 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x less than equal to root of 3 9 4 square 16 3 square 9. Which implies minus 5 is than equal to 3 sin 2x plus 4 cos 2x less than equal to plus 5. Maximum value 5, minimum value minus 5. So option A 5 comma minus 5. Minus 4 less than equal to 5 cos theta plus 3 cos theta plus 5 by 3 plus 3 less than equal to k. For all values of theta. then k equal to option A 4, option B 7, option C 10, option D 11. So 5 cos theta cos A plus B cos theta cos y by 3 minus sin theta sin y by 3. So cos A plus B cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. 5 cos theta plus 3 into cos theta, this is equal to cos 60 1 by 2. This is root 3 by 2. So 5 cos theta plus 3 by 2 cos theta minus 3 root 3 by 2 sin theta. 13 by 2 cos theta minus 3 root 3 by 2 sin theta. We have minus of root of a square plus b square less than or equal to a sin theta root of a square plus b square. So minus of 169 by 4 27 by 4 less than or equal to 13 by 2 cos theta minus 3 root 3 by 2 less than or equal to 169 by 4 plus 27 by 4. That is 169 plus 27 by 4. 196 by 4. That is 49. If you take, so minus root 49 less than or equal to, this term is nothing but equal to 3 cos theta, sorry 5 cos theta plus 3 cos theta plus y by 3 less than or equal to root 49, that is minus 7 less than or equal to 5 cos theta plus 3 cos theta plus pi by 3 less than or equal to 7. So minus 7 plus 3 less than or equal to 5 cos theta plus 3 cos theta plus pi by 3 plus 3 less than or equal to 7 plus 3, adding 3 throughout because we need this value. So minus 4 minus 7 plus 3 minus 4 less than or equal to 5 cos theta 3 cos theta plus pi by 3 plus 3 less than equal to 10. So minus 4 less than equal to minus 5 cos theta 3 cos theta plus pi by 3 that is given statement. Therefore, k equal to 10. Option C is correct. So u equal to sin power 6x cos power 6x then maximum and minimum values of u are plus or minus 1 by 4 plus or minus 1 1 and 1 by 4 1 by 4 and minus 1. Sin squared x the whole cube, cos squared x the whole cube. A cube plus b cubed equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b squared. So u equal to sin squared x plus cos squared x or a cube plus b cubed equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a is the result. A plus b the whole cube minus 3ab 3 sin squared x cos squared x into sin squared x plus cos squared x equal to 1 minus 3 this is 1 3 sin squared x cos squared x. 1 minus 3 by 4, 4 sin square x cos square x. So E equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, 2 sin x cos x the whole square. 1 minus 3 by 4 sin 2x the whole square. One minus 3 by 4 sin square 2x. Sin square A equal to 1 minus cos 2a by 2. 1 minus 3 by 4, 1 minus cos 2 into 2x by 2. 1 minus 3 by 8, 1 minus cos 4x. So U equal to 1 minus 3 by 8 plus 3 by 8 cos 4x. 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8 cos 4x. Maximum value of cos 4x equal to 1. Minimum value of cos 4x equal to minus 1. Five by 8 plus 3 by 8. 8 by 8. Answer 1. Minimum value of U. 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8 minus 1. 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8. 2 by 8, that is 1 by 4. Option C. 1 comma 1 by 4 is correct. So we will discuss more concept the next session. Thank you.